Han, ano bang ideal house mo?
My ideal house is a place where there is enough space for our makukulit kids to play. Tapos, yung may enjoy nila mama yung fresh air. And yung may space for them to take short walks. Saka yung lugar na may extra space for bonding with friends and neighbors. At higit sa lahat, a place where all of us can be together.
Ganito ba gusto mo, Han?
Wow, Han, ang ganda! This is perfect! Thanks for bringing me here!